Now that she's got a taste, she's hitting everything. Got a speed up, I'm trying to slow down. Not working. Good man. Gotta get those quads rolled out, eh?
Right. You know, nature's foam roller.
Yeah. You like your challenges, so we'll go up that. That's the Roman road. The Roman road is...
I was more talking about it looks sweet downhill.
It's no joke. Ew. Into Rome we go. Oh.
Please twist an ankle.
Please don't. We made it to the Dolphin Disco. Jeez. You weren't kidding.
Yeah, you'd be on Phil Friday.
Yeah, I may just ride around.
If you look at it from here, it's not bad. Beautiful. Good man.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, careful. Yeah, it's a little sketchy place to start. Oh, that's a big compression. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Not great. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna come down. Oh, it's been a while, man. Yes. Okay, so that's what you don't want to do. All right, let's try that again. That was pathetic.
You got it, bud. Drive those hips out.
Drive those hips. Jeez. God.
Woohoo, I got my foot.
That's what it's about, having fun. Have fun and don't die.
Have fun, get home.
That's right.
Get to go home. You got it.
I'll tail in once you guys start rolling.
All right.
I'll jump in behind my dad here.
So him, you, Marina, I'm caboose. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Oh, baby, it's that perfect. Man, my voice sounded really high pitched just now. I was really excited. I get excited about her doing stuff. It's just, I get happy. Oh, we put that rock right in the middle of the trail. Now that she's got a taste, she's hitting everything. That's hilarious. Good dang, that's awesome. Just took her a couple little pops. Somebody's got their confidence. Caution. Throw caution to the side. I'll give you caution.
Yeah. Which way y'all going at rock garden? Left?
Yeah.
A little janky through the left. Yeah, dude. I looked up and I was like, saw him hit it and I was like, this is gonna hurt.
I followed you into that little...
The jump? Nice.
So,
I keep it up. There you go, Dad.
I feel like you guys are too fast. I think I'm gonna slow you down a lot.
No. I'm getting gas, to be honest. There's a lot of sprinting through this.
Okay. Well, good. Let the fat boy up front for a second.
No, I don't.
And seriously, just yell at me like, yo, if I'm like.
We're just gonna be on your ass to make you go faster.
Yeah, dude. We'll just keep yelling at you.
I'm gonna kiss your tire a little bit with my front tire.
See, these are the kind of friends you want to bring with you to the mountain bike park.
We'll kiss.
You guys took off like a bat out of hell. I got so gassed.
Yeah. Dude, you were freaking killing it. Oh my. That freaking...
Dude, those things are poppers, man.
That was serious back there.
Fudge.
We rolled up on that and I was like, dude. Ready?
Okay. Oh. I got sketchy all the whole time. Whoa, rock garden. Front wheel moving. Left is good. Oh, gosh. There, at the end of the
ditch lines.
Okay, be careful.
Marina. I'm not a huge jump guy.
Here, bud. I'm not a jump guy either, but I'm trying to learn. Oh my God. Jeez, no. Whoa. Jeez, Jared. Ugh. You guys gotta speed up. I'm trying to slow down. It's not working. Oh.
Rider down.
You got me. Thanks for
Is it
beating
good?
me up today.
Ooh.
Oh, I think you just broke a lever.
Yep. You got no front brake.
You good? Oh, dude, that thing saved you.
Oh, dude, my pad saved my life. Like,
That's just like,
and this, I hit head first.
Well, so what happened?
yeah.
I ran into the
It like grabbed her handlebar, your whole, like half your body.
The tree took me down. Like literally, I got a little juicy up here.
It was getting juicy.
The mud shot me in, and then my handlebar caught the vine, and the vine took me out.
That was rough.
I'm glad you're okay. It's fun.
It was scary behind.
We can maybe rig this. Possibly. You're so muddy. Can't wait to watch that one. Where are you going, Bubba?
I don't know what was happening there. That was kind of wild. I think it's better as a transfer. To go into it from the drop.
Little dropper popper.
Go, go. Yes!
There you go.
Oh my god! Good luck. Oh my gosh.
Cinder, bud.
Yeah. Good tar.
It's the socks. They give him extra steez.
Hello?
Hi. My name's Jeff. Sounds good. We'll dust it up one time. Case that one. Oh, that's a big one. Let's do it.
Not bad.
Climb sucks.
You hit it right there.
Yeah.
But you kind of like, you gracefully went down.
She's good, those graceful crashes, man.
It wasn't like a pow, it was like a skip, 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 skip.
Yeah, I felt like
Where would you look, babe?